What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Pooch coming at you from the hospital, actually. Well, nursing home. I am on IV antibiotics. I got a PICC line in my arm for the next 4 weeks. Then I get to get out of here and go home. So hopefully everything goes well. Right now we are testing out some peppers. I just yesterday got a shipment of peppers in. Had about 25 of them from a place called Keatly Farms in Tennessee. Shout out to them. And hopefully we're gonna get a little spicy. Whoa. All right. Well, as you can see, I took a little nibble off this one earlier. See right there. I was testing the waters, and it turns out that they are extremely hot. I actually touched the pepper with my bare hands and ended up adjusting myself, and needless to say, my pants were on fire for a good 10-15 minutes, and my mouth was too. So hopefully we can get through this. I'm only going to eat one because I am not experienced in hot pepper eating. This is actually my first time eating raw fresh peppers of this caliber of spiciness. So let's get into the video. Let me actually put on some gloves first because we don't want an incident like earlier to take place again. That was not too much fun. We're going to try to make this short and sweet. I just had to try to make room actually on my phone to make this video. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to break the pepper apart. See what we're working with on the inside. I don't have a knife, so we're gonna slowly break open the pepper pod. And oh my, look at that shine. All those shiny walls of the pepper. I don't know if you could see the shine from this angle, but yeah, there we go. That is all the capsaicin crystals on the sides. And wow, there are a lot of seeds in there. I'm actually going to de-seed this one because this is my first go at eating a hot pepper of this caliber. So, let's see. Look at that seed pod. There are a lot of seeds in there, so let's de-seed this bad boy. Oh, we're gonna have to tear it in half, but that's okay. So I'm still gonna eat it. There we go. Those are all the seeds I got from this one pepper. And those seeds are gonna come in handy later, actually. All right, let's get into it. There we go. There's that shine. All right, well, we're gonna get right into this because I'm ready to try this pepper. Let's go. Oh my. Oh. Whew. Oh, and the water just made it 100 times worse. Oh, I got the hiccups already. Oh. 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 Oh man, I don't know what I would have done if I would have left the seeds in there. Oh. Oh. Ah. I don't know how Scoville does this, Johnny. I'm probably gonna puke. Oh, I gotta go, guys. This is it for me.